This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming that your iPhone or iPad model can actually run the older iOS you want. Once done, make a full backup to iCloud or an encrypted computer backup so you can restore if needed. Next, check whether Apple is still signing that iOS build or obtain the correct IPSWA file from a trusted archive. Make sure file names and checksums match to avoid corrupted installs before you proceed. You now put the device into recovery or DFU mode following the exact button sequence for your model, because a standard update won't allow downgrades. Once in the correct mode, connect to Finder or iTunes and choose Restore while holding Option or Shift on a Mac/PC to manually pick the IPSWA file. Let the tool verify and flash the firmware. This can take several minutes, so be patient and avoid disconnecting the cable during verification or reboot. Once the device boots into the older iOS, you'll restore your backup and sign back into your Apple ID, then re-enable settings and apps. If the install fails, retry using DFU mode and double-check the IPSWA checksum and that Apple was signing that build. Corrupted files or unsigned firmware are the most common issues. Make sure the Secure Enclave or Baseband versions are compatible. If they aren't, you may need to revert to the newer iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.